Hello, I'm Tanya Vartan, an investment banking intern at Insight Solutions. Today's video presentation topic is that how we can analyze financial statements in equity research. So for doing so, first of all, we need to have complete knowledge about three primary financial statements. These are income statement, then balance sheet and cash flow statement. So first of all, we conduct income statement analysis. Here we look into revenue, expenses, net income and profit of the company, and we try to assess the profitability of the company. After that, we go for balance sheet analysis. Here we understand and analyze the assets, liabilities and shareholders' equity of the company. And once we do that, we try to assess the liquidity, leverage and working capital requirement of the company. Similarly, we do cash flow statement analysis also, under which we analyze the inflows and outflows of cash for the company through operating activities, investing activities or financing activities. Once this is done, we go for trend analysis. Under trend analysis, we look for any trend or particular pattern that is being followed in the market. If we are able to identify any pattern or trend, that helps us in analyzing the financial performance of the company. We do comparative analysis as well. So under comparative analysis, we look into how the peers in the industry or how the competitors of the company are performing and whether the particular company is able to perform the same way or not. This comparative analysis also helps a lot to understand the financial performance of the company. Once that is done, we just look into some macroeconomic factors like regulatory changes, market changes, or we look into some non-financial metrics like whether the customers are being satisfied or not, whether there is technological innovation or not. So when we do all these types of analysis, we are able to analyze the financial statement of a company in equity research. Thank you.